Question 10. Given the graph of the function f of x below, state the domain of y equals the square root of f of x. So when we have a graph like this, we want to remember that you cannot find the square root of a negative number. So f of x is another way of saying y. So basically we cannot find the square root of any negative y values. So when it comes to the domain, domain, we want to look at how it's going to be broken up, right? The first y is positive, then y becomes negative, and then y becomes positive again. So the domain of this graph is going to start at negative infinity. It's going to take a little break there at negative 1, inclusive. You can find the square root of 0. And then we're going to continue again, starting at positive 3 and going on to infinity. Just for fun, we can graph this function with the square root graphs. You want to know that the square root of 0 is 0. You also want to know that the square root of 1 is 1, so that would be a common point. And the square root of a big number is a small number, so the kind of shape this graph takes, it'll be like that. Kind of like that. Okay? 1 would be common, and y equals 1 would be common, and y equals 0 would be common. And the square root of a big y value is a smaller y value.